Okay, I'm going to show how to calibrate your Solo 2. Before you do this, make sure that your Solo 2 is mounted solidly, that it's not going to get moved around the cabin. This is where you're going to use it when you go out on track, and that it's locked down. Everything, the angle is not going to change from now on. Okay, so now go to RS3 on your computer. Make sure that your Solo is obviously turned on. Go up to the Wi-Fi, find your Solo. If there's ever any question of what your Solo ID is, it's down in the middle at the bottom. Mine, it happens to be Omega 13 Coach. So find that, at the track, there'll be a lot of aims, so make sure you know what your number is. That's how you find it. Look on the display of the device. Now look over here, you'll see when it's actually connected, it'll show up on these little arrows. Now it shows aim devices just popped up. Click on that. You'll see your Solo, click on that, and then the display will come up here. Okay, the first one is the live measures. So this is a great way of checking that your data feed is working. If your car is running, you can step on the gas, lower it, step on the brake, make sure that's all reading, turn the wheel, make sure that's all good. Now the thing I want you to focus on is this little button right here. You'll see if you dwell over it, says perform auto calibration. Click on that. And now you'll see over here, auto calibrate. Click the auto calibrate, and you'll see what should happen is your inline and lateral acceleration should be at 0G. Your vertical, since we're on Earth, should be 1G coming down. And the other should be there isn't any roll or pitch or yaw going on. Once that's done, you're calibrated and ready to go.